So you want to work in Swindon? Great! Our office is at Workshed, a co-working space on London Street, just minutes from the train station and a 5-minute walk to the shops. If you're driving, park at the Bristol Street car park on the far side in one of the bays marked with a funky S. You'll find the front door back on the main road. Follow the instructions on the touchpad or flash your key card to enter and head on in. Inside you'll find a spatial communal area with a table tennis table. There's also a working kitchen and plenty of seating. Our corner of the world is upstairs on the rear mezzanine level. Here you'll find we've laid on plenty of hot desks, seats and monitors. In Workshed itself, amenities include large bookable meeting rooms, private booths for calls, a smaller kitchen beneath our co-working space, lots of toilets and plenty of breakout spaces with Death Star chairs. The decor is a mix of heritage, contemporary and futuristic. Other facilities include secure bike storage and 2 showers with a place to keep your valuables. Welcome to our home at Workshed in Swindon.